The Cabinda War, an ongoing conflict that erupted in 2002, has brought enduring violence and instability to the region of Cabinda, a small enclave in northern Angola, rooted in historical grievances and demands for self-determination. This complex conflict has had far-reaching implications for the local population, regional dynamics, and Angola's stability. This article provides an overview of the Cabinda War, its origins, key actors, and the challenges faced in seeking a peaceful resolution to the conflict. Historical background and quest for autonomy. The conflict in Cabinda finds its origins in the complex historical context of the region. Cabinda, geographically separated from the rest of Angola by the Democratic Republic of Congo, has long-standing cultural and historical distinctions. The Front for the Liberation of the Enclave of Cabinda, the main separatist group, advocates for Cabinda's autonomy, citing historical and cultural differences from the Angolan mainland. Resource riches and economic disparities. The presence of significant oil reserves in Cabinda has exacerbated the conflict. The region is a crucial oil-producing area, generating substantial revenue for the Angolan government. However, local communities have experienced socio-economic disparities and perceived marginalization, leading to resentment and demands for a more equitable distribution of oil wealth. Escalation and fragmentation of the conflict. The Cabinda War intensified in 2002 when FLEC factions launched a series of attacks targeting Angolan security forces and oil infrastructure. The conflict has witnessed the fragmentation of FLEC into various splinter groups, each pursuing their vision of self-determination and employing different strategies to achieve their goals. This fragmentation has complicated efforts to negotiate a peaceful settlement. Human rights concerns and displacement. The Cabinda War has resulted in serious human rights violations and a significant humanitarian toll. Both Angolan security forces and separatist groups have been accused of arbitrary arrests, extrajudicial killings, and attacks on civilians. The conflict has also displaced a significant number of people, leading to a dire humanitarian situation with limited access to essential services and an increased vulnerability to abuses. International involvement in diplomatic efforts. The Cabinda War has attracted international attention and engagement. Several attempts at mediation and negotiation have been made by regional and international actors to facilitate dialogue between the Angolan government and FLEC factions. However, the complexity of the conflict, combined with the divergence of interests and grievances among the different factions, has hindered the progress of peace talks. Impacts on regional stability and economic development. The Cabinda War has had broader implications for regional stability and economic development. The conflict has spilled over into neighboring countries, leading to cross-border attacks and security concerns. Additionally, the uncertainty and violence in Cabinda have hindered economic investments and development initiatives, further exacerbating the socio-economic challenges faced by the local population. Challenges in achieving a lasting peace. Resolving the Cabinda War faces significant challenges. The conflict involves multiple factions within FLEC, each with distinct demands and interests. Achieving a unified negotiation platform and building trust among all stakeholders is crucial. Addressing the underlying causes of grievances, promoting inclusive governance, and ensuring equitable resource distribution are vital steps toward a lasting peace settlement. Conclusion. The Cabinda War continues to pose formidable challenges to the stability of Cabinda and Angola as a whole. The pursuit of a peaceful resolution requires a comprehensive approach that encompasses dialogue, respect for human rights, and addressing the root causes of the conflict. International support, regional cooperation, and sustained efforts to bridge differences and foster inclusive governance are essential to pave the way for a sustainable peace in Cabinda and the region.